Hi, I'm Sam Smyth from Smyth Motorcar Service here in Cincinnati, Ohio. This is a restoration we were doing on a TR6. Did a convert to SUs and intake gaskets. It's got a hot cam in it. It's got we've done all the grounds and the cables and hoses and water hoses and everything. Now we're getting ready to fire it up for its first road test and see if anything decides it wants to leak or break or give us a problem here. So I just wanted to run a quick video on it. Go ahead and let's see if it'll start without, it should be in neutral without any choke. I'm going to give it a little bit of choke because we did have the fuel lines off. Go ahead. But there, basically, that was it. The choke for a second. Now turn it off. See if it refires. Go ahead. There you go, no choke. You don't even need choke cables hooked up. So, what year is this TR6? I forgot. 1973. 73 Triumph TR6. 72 spoke wire wheels, new Michelin's on it. Just had another garage, had the fuel tank and stuff done on it, and then we took it from there. This is running good. Got a little hunting going on, but it's mainly more lean. Give it a little gas, see if it'll rev without dying. It did. Sweet. How about the charging needle? Like that light's off? Okay. Oh yeah. Sounds much better. See how smooth the engine is now? With that other alternator, you know what I mean? Yeah, so yeah, everything seems to be in proper working order. Okay. Fairly loose by now, too. Is it? Out the back of that one? Muffler, yeah. Okay, well anyway, if you have a Triumph TR6, we're here. We can help you. We can do any modifications, set it up factory, whatever you want to do. So I'm seeing Smyth, Cincinnati, Ohio. This is a Triumph 73 TR6 that we've upgraded to the Moss SUs and did just a bunch of upgrades on it. So we even got that torque starter on it, which is really nice down there. It'll spin it and start them fast. So than the regular old factory starters. Any questions, give us a call, 513-793-0434. We're still working on our website, which is smythimports.com. Thank you.